To make the cross treble stitch, we'll start by making a slip knot, and we'll make chains in multiples of 4 plus 1. I'll be making 21 chains. Now I have my 21 chains. I'll go ahead and skip the first 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and into this 5th chain I'll make a treble crochet. And to make a treble crochet, you yarn over twice, you go into that chain space, you pull up a loop, but we will not finish up the treble stitch that we are making here. After you pull through 2, you skip the next 2 chains, and into the 3rd one you yarn over again, you go into that 3rd chain, you pull up a loop, and then from this point you yarn over, you pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through the last 2. This is the point where we have the 2 stitches joined together, and this is the part where we'll be finishing up the cross treble stitch. So you go ahead and chain 2, then you yarn over. We'll be making a double crochet into these 2 loops at the point where the 2 stitches are joined together. So you pull up your loop and you finish up your double crochet. Now we have made our first X stitch. Now to make the next one, you yarn over twice, and into the next chain space you go into that space, you pull up a loop, you yarn over and pull through 2, then you yarn over again, you skip the next 2 chains, you go into the 3rd one, you pull up a loop, you yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through the last 2. Then you go ahead and chain 2, you yarn over again, and into the point where the 2 stitches are joined together here, you go underneath these 2 loops, you pull up a loop, and you finish it up with a double crochet. Now we've made our second X stitch, and you continue this till you have covered all the chain stitches that you made. And when you get to the end of the row, you'll have 1 more stitch left. Just as we made a treble stitch at the beginning of the row, we'll also finish up the row with a treble stitch. So you yarn over twice, you go into that chain space, you pull up your loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through the last 2, and that completes row 1. This is what your work should look like. To begin row 2, you chain 4, which stands as a treble stitch, and in this row and going forward we'll be working into the top of the stitches that was made in the first row. So we'll be working into this spot and also into this spot. So we'll yarn over twice, we'll go into this space, you pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, then you yarn over again, go into the top of the next stitch, you pull up a loop, you yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through the last 2. You chain 2, then you yarn over and you make a double crochet into the center of the 2 stitches. You go into the next stitch to make your cross treble stitch. You pull through 2, you yarn over, go into the top of the next one, you pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2. You chain 2 and you make a double crochet at the center of both stitches, and you continue this till you get to the end of the row, and you make this for as many times that you have to cover for the desired length of the project that you are working on. I hope you find this video helpful. Please like, share, and leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I'll see you again in my next video.